Hi, TJ Morris here with Morris Insurance Services. Just want to give you a quick video to say thank you for checking out our website. And in the video, I also just want to kind of let you know who we are, maybe what we do, and how we set ourselves apart from the competition. In 1998, I started my agency from scratch, and today we have close to 3,054 or so of your neighbors insured. 92 to 93% of our policyholders stay with us year after year. We have over 50 years combined insurance experience here in the office. I'm a licensed insurance agent, but I'm also a licensed insurance adjuster. So, what sets Morris Insurance Services apart from our competition? There's three main things I think that do that for us. One is our great rates. Our rates are always ultra competitive. If they weren't, we couldn't exist. And we've been in business for close to 20 years now. Two, and probably the biggest thing, is our promise to you. Our promise is that we're going to be there for you. And we can do that because we're a local agency. So if a traumatic situation happens to you or your family or your family member or maybe your house, we can come to you. You're welcome to come to our office and sit down. But whatever it takes is what we're going to do to make you whole again and put you back to where you were before that traumatic situation happens. We want to be available to you. If we're not available, we're no good to you. Number two is probably our service. And we try to pride ourselves and we take every call as is our last call, and very important here in the office. If you want to call our office one day and say we're crazy busy and you need to leave a message, we will return that phone call the same day. If you send us an email, we will answer your email that very same day. We want to be here for you, not only if something happens, but in our day-to-day operation and our service as well. You're not going to see any gimmicky insurance here, or lizard or caveman or anything like that. We're just a local agent doing the right things for local people. So we like to listen to our clients. We like to see what they're all about and find out who they are and and get to know them better. By doing that, we can develop an insurance policy that is specific for them because no two people, no two families, no two houses are exactly alike, and really nor should your insurance policy be. So thank you again for taking a look at our website. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to give us a call, and we would greatly appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. Thanks again, and make it a great day.